come out from the Real Estate Institute, and we'll get to that in a moment. But if you're interested in any of the previous information or tips and advice, our website is a fantastic source of information for people that are interested in property. But we're not here to talk about the website. You can find your way there of your own accord if you want to. We're here to talk about the stats that have just come out for the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand, the monthly property report relating to October. So let's look at some of the highlights, and the easiest way to do that is to go straight to the headline news article, which has been widely circulated in media today. Auckland median house price hits $1 million. That's incredible. And 9 other regions and 28 districts hit record median prices as well. What's going on? The market's going crazy. Median house prices across New Zealand increased by 19.8% from 605 this time a year ago to the new record median high of 725. So that's on average $120,000 increase in 1 year. That's $10,000 a month. Virtually, well, a bit over $2,000 a week just for owning property. So really incredible stuff happening there, and it varies from area to area. I like to look at things in Auckland and then in the remainder of the country. They're almost like two different markets. The Auckland market up 140,000 on the median house price. That's 16% to $1 million. And the rest of New Zealand outside of Auckland is up from 520 to 600. That's a 15% increase. So really those post-COVID blues are being shaken off, and there's plenty of activity in the housing market. I like to have a look at this graphic, which is the annual median price changes. And just by way of reminder, the red R's are record median house prices. Some areas of particular note to mention. I like to mention Manawatu Wanganui, that's where I'm based, so that's gone up 17.5%. Gisborne is continuing to perform well. That's over 35% in terms of year-on-year median house prices. West Coast still, and Southland, Otago still going very well, all around about or above 20, and Marlborough up 27%. So these are massive increases. The regions are seeing, generally speaking, larger increases than the main centres. But in saying that, it's just going up all over the place. Coming now to Manawatu Wanganui, I mentioned about the record median, but it's actually the 4th consecutive month of record median prices across the region, according to Bindi Norwell, the CEO of the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand. And that's coming from strong interest from first home buyers. It's driving a lot of the market demand. Many properties are selling via multi-offer. We've been finding here we're getting incredible prices, many tens of thousands above even our optimistic expectations. So she says that local residents are staying active in the market and looking at upgrading, upsizing or downsizing, and investors are having mixed reactions across the region. Some looking at property as an option because of the low interest rates, and also the ability to get the funds available, but others are concerned a bit, according to Bindi Norwell, about the new tenancy laws, but they are still currently active. Listings are down across Manawatu Wanganui, down 11.3%, which means that there's a little measure that they have which is called around the inventory levels. It means if no other properties go on the market, how quickly would the entire market sell out? And that would be at 6 weeks, which is one of the lowest levels across the country. So open homes are particularly busy, and new listings are resulting in very fast sales. So let's have a look at the stats. I like to look more specifically within our regions. Let's have a look at that. There's the median prices. Again, we've got the records down there. Palmerston North now 619,500 median house price. There was 116 sales, so that's a pretty good indication of the market, and that is an incredible increase year on year. So if you bought a property a year ago at the median house price, it's now gone up almost 32%. So quite incredible. It was year on year last month was 25%, so it's really moving upwards. Other areas like Wanganui as well, 35%, proving very good for capital growth. It's becoming a little bit harder now for people to service the loans in terms of from the income, rental income they are receiving, but it's still extremely good considering, as I mentioned earlier, that properties are going up almost $2,000 a week. Probably in the Manawatu region, it's more like $1,500. So how does that look? Well, this is what it looks like on a graph. This is the past 5 years. The little lines here are month by month. We've got a big dip for COVID, But not only have things resumed, but they've really picked up, and you can see that in the trend line down below. So very busy, prices continue to go up. What do I foresee in the future? I think there'll be at least 10% increase in property prices in the next 12 months, and probably in the next 12 months after that, specifically in and around Manawatu. So thanks for watching. Hope it's been interesting. Nice having your company. And remember, just find us on the website. We've also got a Facebook page and a YouTube channel, which is packed full of great information, free of charge for you to download and have a look at. Thanks for watching.